Hey guys, and welcome back to Mary J's Hauls. I am so sorry I have not done one of these videos in a long time. Not only was I having computer issues and I was traveling with Brian, but also I have not gotten tiered up still. Now, some weeks I have bad weeks and some weeks I've got good weeks. This week, as you guys can see, has not been too bad overall. Again, still keeping all of those cryptocurrency things because, cryptocurrency is like kind of a wild ride right now. It's going up and down and up and down. And when it tends to go up, I tend to see more sales. So as you guys can see this week, cryptocurrencies have been pumping and I've been making on average maybe 2 sales a day. Unfortunately, today I didn't make very much, but quite honestly, I never really understood what Ryan meant by passive income because for me this has been a little bit less than passive, but throughout this week, because I haven't been working with it too much, really waiting to get tiered up and crossing my fingers that happens soon. I didn't do anything on merch this week and I'm still making sales. So overall it's been pretty good with my all-time being 217 sales. This previous month I had 30 sales, or sorry, this month I had 20 sales, and the last 7 days I had 12. So definitely this week was the best week out of the month so far for me, and that is mainly because of cryptocurrencies pumping. But overall it's been pretty slow. I can't think of any really like good niches that are coming up. There's no real big holidays, and even my holiday shirts didn't do too well. So they didn't do well at all. Sorry, I don't know what I'm talking about. Not a single one sold. Now, I noticed that legit right after I made them. I think I told some of you guys about them. The exact same ones went up, which I do not blame you because I think my design was quite good. So if it was any of you guys, good job for catching on to what designs were mine. And hopefully you made a little bit more sales on them than I did. So yes, just keep on trucking. Overall, I don't really have too much to talk about today. If you guys have video ideas that you would like to see me do, please reach out and let me know because right now I'm kind of at a standstill, but I do have plenty of good tools and I've got an amazing resource right upstairs, Ryan, who is always willing to help. So if you guys have any questions or would like me to do videos on anything else, I am more than happy to. I have been focusing a little bit more this time on my Etsy Printful integration, which I recently just started. Since I started it, I've had about maybe 8 sales. So that's been in the past week and a half. I figure if I'm uploading them to Amazon merch, I might as well take the same designs and then upload them to Etsy. So guys, if you have not done that, go ahead and go to my first Etsy video because setting up the account is kind of weird and it's a little bit tricky based on the Printful and Etsy integration. In addition to that, there is a link in my description that will give you 40 free listings. I get 40 free listings if you sign up through my link, and you get 40 free listings. But if you do not sign up through my link, neither of us get 40 free listings, so it's a lose-lose situation. There's no harm in clicking the link. In fact, there's benefit to clicking the link. So overall, guys, again, not too much moving on this. Let me know what you guys want to see, and I will put it out there. So thank you guys so much for watching Mary J's Hauls, and I hope you have a good one. I promise next video won't be as long as this one, or take as long. Have a good one, guys.